If you are in the business of developing and manufacturing medical equipment of any type, then you already know your sales efforts play a critical role toward your success. Medical device sales reps help drive this process forward by establishing relationships with key decision makers across different types of providers. Utilizing video content properly is an opportunity to enhance these efforts. What can video do for you and your sales team? It can convey the core values upon which your business operations are founded. And those values, they help to build trust and familiarity. Video can answer the common questions that your sales reps hear most often, allowing them to skip ahead in the relationship building process. And with video, you can showcase clear, demonstrable examples of how your products are designed, how they function, and why they're the best, which is great for all products, but especially great for flagship products and new product launch campaigns. That's how, regardless of whether you perform sales in-house or hire it out to a third party, now you can equip those sales reps to achieve more, to extend your brand further than before with the medical professionals, the decision makers they communicate with daily. Contact us at Healthcare Video and let us show you how we can help.